Alright guys, so this is going to be an update on the Safewatch Pro 3000, the 4006, and well, the alarms that are here in general. Now, I didn't really want to do this, but I don't want to lose all the alarms either. So, as you can see, the 4006 is powered down right now. We were actually getting ready to set up another test, but there's still a few more tests to come with this system before it heads out. And yes, the 4008, not 4008, but the 4006 and the ADT Safewatch Pro 3000 are no longer going to be installed here. Now if we ask, well, why is that happening? Well, part of it is the room. These past few weeks and months, it's been a bit difficult to keep the room clean. There's now 2 people living in here, me and Jack, so it's kind of been difficult to keep the room in a somewhat okay condition. Like, this is probably the best it's looked for a while. And there's not even a lot of alarms that are on the floor either. Like, the only thing I see is this spectral alert mounting plate and a motion detector, and that's about it. My dad came in here yesterday and just he said that he does not want any more alarms coming in this room. So I know I might thinking, well, yeah, that's not too big of a deal, no more alarms in the room, so you can probably keep all your alarms in here. Well, that's only part of it. The second part is, like, if somehow, like, another one does come in the room, whether it be me or it's Jack or I'm holding it for somebody, because for some installs that I've recently been doing, which will be coming to the channel pretty soon, sometimes I'll have to, hold some parts here, and especially with the eBay store, which I'll be starting back up soon. So, or if the room just doesn't improve in the next, like, month or so, like, probably might lose in my entire collection if I don't send them out. So where are they going? Am I selling them? No, I'm not selling them. If you guys remember my Vista, Tennessee videos, which are kind of lacking lately, I apologize for that. They'll be coming soon. Just haven't had a great time, perfect time to get over there. But the 4006 and the Safewatch Pro 3000, as well as the rest of my collection, will be going there. And as for a system, a new Safewatch Pro 3000 and 4006 system, those will be coming. Because where the Vista 10 SE and the 4006, the Vista 10 SE is right now, the Safewatch Pro 3000 and the Simplex 4006 will actually be getting installed there. So there will be a fire alarm system there, which will be pretty cool. And Ethan Shep is going to be selling me an annunciator for this panel, so there'll be an annunciator in the basement as well. So this will be a full 4006 system, so that is something to look forward to. And the Safewatch Pro 3000 is also going to have a bit of a cooler setup there, because I'll be able to add more devices to that, because the Vista Tennessee only has about 6, is only expandable up to 6 wireless zones, so I was only able to keep what's on it right now. So with this, I'll be able to expand more, because this thing has got like 48 zones on it. So I'll be able to basically cover the entire house with this. So, which means there's going to be 3 Safewatch keypads, a siren up in the attic, as well as the an interior siren. For those of you that don't know, I got a new outdoor siren, which I need to figure out where it is. It was right here. But I actually bought an Ademco 702. Not the newer Honeywell 702, an older 702 from the 90s. And that thing is pretty loud. I've tested it, and so that's what's going to be put up in the attic. Now, if I know where, oh, here it is. I found it. I can take it out of the box for you guys. Yep, this is my first self-contained siren. Well, first self-contained exterior siren. As you can see, it's an older Demco, and the plastic is more durable on the older ones, and it's got the more of the classic original box that I like. And I also have a Honeywell 702 in the house, which the deal with the Honeywell ones, the newer ones, is that the plastic isn't as strong on those. And I'm actually, for an install job that I'm doing here in the next few weeks, I'll go ahead and show you that. It's going to be another Safewatch Pro. I can show you that. As you can see, here are some of the devices for that. Right here is these detectors. They look like 2 gig detectors, but these actually will work in the Safewatch Pro. They look like DSC or 2 gig detectors, but these ones are actually made by a brand called Apollo that actually work on Vista systems. So this is the other 702. As you can see, this is a Honeywell one, and the plastic is a little bit more, like, it's a bit easier to bend on that. So 5883, because he's also getting a wireless keypad and wireless relay for this siren. Interior siren's a DT24, and I have 2 of these Apollo detectors, so he's getting 2 of them, and I'm waiting on a carbon monoxide detector as well. So that's like this. And seller still hasn't shipped the Safewatch for his house. And the 5828 that I got for him is used, so I went ahead and tested it on my Lynx system, which those of you that don't know, this is what it's doing now.
Disarmed, ready to arm.
So yeah. There'll be a video on that system as well. So by the end of the month, the 4006 is going to be, and the ADT Safewatch Pro 3000 are going to be gone. Now, as for a system in this house, will I be using the Apex links or the ADT links? No. It will be a link system, but not one of those. In fact, I got one of these. I had another Lynx panel that I purchased last year, which I ended up selling because I got locked out of it. It's similar to that. It's not an L5100, but it's similar. So, and I also got another 6150 that I'm going to modify soon. So, the Safewatch and the 4006 will see light another day.